Welcome to SwiftCoin. In this video, we will show you how to set up Google Authenticator and trade password on SwiftCoin app. To safeguard your account and funds, you need to set up your Google Authenticator and trade password. First, open the SwiftCoin app and click on the profile icon. Then, select Security from the menu. Next, select Bind Google Verification Code. To bind your Google verification code, you'll need to have the Google Authenticator app installed on your phone. You'll see a QR code on the screen. Scan it with your Google Authenticator app by clicking on Add a Code, and then scan a QR code. You'll see a 6-digit code on your Google Authenticator app. Copy it and paste it in the box on the SwiftCoin app. Then, click on Send. You'll receive a verification OTP via email. Check your inbox and enter the OTP in the box on the SwiftCoin app. Congratulations, you have successfully bound your Google verification code. Next, let's set up your trade password. This is a 6-digit password that you'll use to confirm your trades on SwiftCoin. To set it up, go back to the security menu and select Set Trade Password. You'll need to verify your email again by clicking on Send and entering the OTP that will email you. Then, you'll be able to create your trade password. Make sure to choose a strong and memorable password that is different from your login password. Well done, you have successfully set up your trade password and completed the steps to set up your Google Authenticator. Thank you for watching this tutorial and happy trading!